All right, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to graph linear equations using slope-intercept form. So just like we've talked about in class, your m is your slope and your b is your y-intercept. And also really important, it's so much easier if you just remember b for beginning and use your m or your slope to move. So I'm going to show you two examples today. The first example has a positive slope, and the second example has a negative slope. All right. So in the first one, if I look here, we have 1/2 x minus 3. What? Hold on. Oh, someone else is doing that. I'm sorry. For the record, kids, that was Mr. Corey that totally messed me up. Okay. So anyways, so the b value here is -3. So that I'm going to begin on the y-axis there. That's my first point. And so my slope is 1/2, which is rise over 1. So with this one, I'm going to move down 1 and right 2. Down 1, right 2. Of course not. It's positive. So I'm going to go up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. Up 1, right 2. And I can get more points if I do the opposite, which is down 1, left 2. And that looks pretty good. I just connect my points. And it looks like that. All right, and it's that easy. So with the second one is going to be a negative slope. So I can already predict before I do this slope that my line is going to be negative. So it's going to be going down from left to right. So again, I get my y-intercept, which in this case is 1, and my slope is -3. So unfortunately, that does not have a denominator. So I make one and I put a 1 underneath. So I'm going to start at 1. And from this point, I'm going to now move m for slope and also for move. This time, instead of going up, I'm going to go down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. And over here, I can do it down 3, left 1. Of course not, because if I connect that, you're no longer straight. So I have to do the opposite, which is up 3 and left 1. I connect my dots again to get my straight line, which looks like that. Let me make sure this is right. Down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1. Uh-oh, I see a totally unintentional. So it's supposed to go down 3, right 1 like that. So in the end, that makes me pretty happy. And that is how you graph linear equations.